Let's look at external webcams. When it comes to webcams, there are many brands and types to choose from. And the price on webcams is very affordable considering the quality you get from external webcams. How easy are they to set up and use? Well, it's small and portable, so you can just quickly pull it out your bag and you're all set to go. So most external webcams can be mounted in two ways. So they can hook on the top of your laptop, and then they can also be mounted on a tripod, which gives you more options in terms of whether you want to stand or sit when you're doing your videos. So it comes with a built-in USB cable, which you can easily connect into your laptop. So once it's plugged in, you are all set to record. So just like the built-in webcam, the external webcam records straight to your laptop. And the file size is small, and this makes them easier to edit. So there's no need to transfer your footage from an SD card. This also speeds up your entire video workflow. What is the image quality like? Well, it all depends on when you purchased your webcam. If you purchased a webcam in the past 2 years, the chances are that the quality is high definition. Well, what do I mean by high definition? Well, high definition is the quality of the video. So the highest quality right now is 4K. But most webcams are HD, which means that they capture your video footage in 1080, which is great quality for pre-recorded videos and live stream videos. Most webcams have the ability to blur the background of your video, which is a great feature and makes your videos look professional, as most professional camcorders don't really have the ability to do this. So unlike built-in webcams, the external webcams come with additional software that you can download, and it allows you to control your settings like the brightness, the focus, and zoom in and out. You can get the best video quality when you have control over the settings. So I use the Logitech C922, which comes with software for both Windows and Apple, which gives you full control over your whole settings. So one thing to bear in mind here is that when you're using an external webcam to record your videos, you'll need a laptop. So this really isn't a portable solution unless you're moving around with your laptop, well, then it's okay. So like the built-in webcam, the external webcams don't perform really well in low light situations, so you may need to add extra lights. So how good is the audio? So most webcams have a built-in microphone, and they are never great unless you're sitting right next to them. And they often pick up the echo in the room and lots of background noise. So the Logitech C922's microphone is average, and like I said before, it all depends on the room that you're in. So the built-in microphones tend to easily pick up the echo in the room. So I would recommend that you use an external microphone, like a USB microphone that you can plug into your computer, or you can also use a lapel mic like I'm using today.